Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Sa mga new subscribers, maraming salamat for visiting my channel and maraming salamat sa inyong kindness for not skipping the ads. Thank you sa support, Libra. Tingnan natin ano yung mga energies and messages for you, mga gabay at blessings for Libra. Okay? Two of Wands. Merong frustrations over a situation about a partnership, frustration or deception ng isang colleague, no? Merong jealousy dito or trouble, no? You are hurt or you are disappointed, something like that, okay? Yeah, for some of you, kung meron kayong mga business or may mga projects na ginagawa, it is doing well, okay? You are working on your finances. You are being wise and smart sa mga investments ninyo. Yeah, merong 5 of Swords, okay? May mga bullying. Someone here, either parang merong intimidation in the situation. It's either you who is intimidated or you are doing this to another person. Merong fighting or conflict in a sense na winning arguments, or kung hindi lang yan, parang merong situation dito na parang pinapahiya, yung other person. Okay? Sometimes reverse yung role. Either ikaw yung pinapahiya or napapahiya ka, something like that. Merong 9 of Swords dito, no? Merong frustrations, no? Analysis paralysis over a situation, kung ano man tong conflict na to or arguments, okay? Yeah, may mga bullying dito, okay? Which is, this is a very disappointing situation. It may be sa work. Yeah, most likely sa work to, sa partnership, or sa business. Tingnan natin. 2 of Wands. For some of you, merong plano, no? Pagpaplano of traveling, no? A short journey, okay? Tawid dagat na biyahe. Okay. Sorry for that. 2 of Wands. Let's see, ano to? The Chariot again. So, yeah, this is a flight, a travel, no, international, may kinalaman sa trabaho or sa inyong mga, maybe this is kung meron kang business, no, business travel, no, business trip. Okay, for some of you, you are going to achieve something, an important achievement, may kinalaman sa work mo or sa mga proyekto na tinatrabaho. Okay, tingnan natin, 3 of Swords. We have the Ace of Swords, yeah. For some of you, you are hurt for some truths about a situation. Merong clarifying or merong clarity of a situation, no? Yeah. This is a hollow victory for some of you and you are disappointed or the other person is disappointed, okay? Parang merong pag-uusap dito, no? A clear communication, parang nagbigay ng clarity kung ano yung mga issues or kung ano yung concern or problema, okay? So, this is one thing na parang merong someone here is hurt, no? Parang nasaktan. King of Pentacles, tingnan natin. Yeah, we have the 4 of Cups. Okay, may mga opportunities na ino-offer sa'yo, okay, to get along with someone, but on your part, you don't want to participate or you are not that interested, okay? You are bored or merong discontentment over a situation, maybe with a businessman or with a boss, something like that, okay? May discontentment dito. 5 of Swords, tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the 8 of Cups, yeah. So, let go, no? Parang there's nothing more that can be done in the situation. So, parang kailangan mo na lang mag-move forward. Okay? Yeah. So, parang let bygones be bygones. You need to move on. There's nothing that can be done. You have to walk away, turn away, turn away, something like that. Merong Princess of Swords, no? You are receiving information or parang meron kang na-learn na something na which nagbibigay sa inyo ng anxiety. Okay? Yeah, you are worrying or nag-iisip ka ng negative, no? Self-limiting beliefs, no? Parang meron kayong isang pinaniwalaan na mensahe or information or meron kayong natanggap na ganyan na hindi ninyo nagugustuhan. Okay? And for some of you, you are overthinking. Tingnan natin. More for Libra. Libra. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, honor your commitment. Okay? For some of you, may mga kailangan kayong trabahuhin. Meron kayong business trip or you will travel and at the same time you will work. No? Merong ganon dito. Also, for some of you, meron kayong mga bisita siguro or someone, may matatanggap kang mensahe, may kinalaman about business ideas or business opportunities. Okay, a new project na kailang pagtrabahuhin. Okay, yes, for some of you, you are looking forward for a travel. Okay, there is a preparation here. You're thinking also about adventure, exciting, mga exciting na mga endeavors, no, na mga gagawin. Okay, may kinalaman pa rin sa travel. Ace of Cups. Do not worry, may mga support. You are secured in your position. Secured ka sa trabaho mo, may mga tao na sumusuporta sa iyo. Okay? Yeah, or meron din assistance kang matatanggap. Tingnan natin. We have the Judgment. Yes, siguro may mga kailangan kayong i-assess about sa situation mo, sa work, no, with your colleagues, okay? Or even a relationship. Maybe may kailangan kayong pagtuunan ng pasen at kailangan mag-decide, no? On something, no? Parang bigyan mo ng finality. Okay? Parang may mga pending kayo na decision na kinakailangan gawa ng action. Okay? Yeah, merong wake up call dito or call to action. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Two of Pentacles. You are juggling two situations. You are juggling multiple tasks, no? Juggling ideas for some of you. Okay, work-life balance is needed. And then, parang sinasabi na wag masyadong seryoso, no, sa trabaho. Work-life balance is importante pa din. Okay, for some of you, you are doing balancing act on your resources or on your money. Okay? Para mag-work out, no? Maybe you're doing budgeting, something like that. Yeah, 8 of Wands. Yeah, may mga good news na paparating about an opportunity, no? Yeah, you will be receiving communications or you will be exchanging communications about a certain project or certain business. Okay? About a certain commitment, no, na kailangan gawin. Page of Wands. Tingnan natin. Ano tong Page of Wands? We have the 9 of Wands. Yeah. So, do not give up, no? Parang konting push pa. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, ina-anticipate nyo na yung mga kailangang gawin. Okay? So, do not, kumbaga, maniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayahan. Be confident na magawa mo or matapos mo yung isang trabaho, ng isang project, no? So, sinasabi dito na don't give up kung ano man yung mga kailangan ninyong trabahuhin in the future. Okay? Or yung mga next din yung nagagawin. Ace of Cups, tingnan natin. We have the King of Wands. Yeah. So, it's time to take action, no? You are the man of action and merong mga tao na sumusuporta or susuporta sa mga gagawin mong mga action. Okay? In the work or in your business. Okay? Planning is needed. Also, communicate kung ano yung vision mo, ang mga plano mo. So, siguro communicate with your team or with your colleagues, okay, or with the boss. For some of you, you need advice from someone na mas maalam or someone na makakatulong sa iyo, no, sa work mo. Judgment. Tingnan natin. We have the moon. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, yes. Siguro you have to face kung ano man tong mga fears mo. Okay? Kung may mga kailangan, yeah, may mga information na intentionally hinahide. Okay? Siguro, kailangan mong palawakin din ang iyong pag-iisip, ang inyong pag-unawa, no, over a situation. Okay? And also be reminded, no, about baka mag-burst out ka ng iyong mga emosyon, no. So, siguro kailangan lang din dito i-assess mo ng maayos yung sitwasyon na nasa paligid mo. Whether that is in a relationship or in your work. Yeah, merong mga nangyayari na hindi maganda. Merong mga backstabbing dito. Okay. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Princess of Cups. Okay, so for some of you, you need help, you need assistance. So, siguro madami kang ginagawa. So, accept the wisdom of asking help or support. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, may mga bagong business dealings dito or partnership. Okay? Siguro kailangan lang kung may makailangang asikasuhin, no, kailangan i-accommodate, no, bigyan ng atensyon, okay, as for some of you. Also, kailangan mo din maging creative, no, sa inyong trabaho. If you're doing a lot of things, work smart, no, yeah. Kailangan mo maging creative sa work mo, kung paano mo yan ma-handle or matapos, something like that. Tingnan natin. More for Libra. We have the King of Wands. Again, focus on your goal. Control your emotions, no? Balance and harmony is needed, no? So that you can work ng maayos, no? Makafocus ka sa trabaho mo or sa mga kailangan mong gawin or tapusin. Okay? We have the Two of Cups. Yeah, you need to have peace of mind, no? For some of you, you need to cooperate, participate. Okay? So, make friends, not okay? Make friends. Huwag makipag-away, control yourself, no? Control your emotion. Compromise is needed here in the work or sa negosyo or sa project na tinatrabaho mo with a team. We have the Knight of Wands. Yeah, for some of you, action is needed, no? You are at the peak of your career, no? Yeah, your high performance is needed. For some of you, you'll be receiving an important letter about may kinalaman sa trabaho. Okay? We have the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, for some of you, may mga frustrations kayo sa work. Parang hindi kayo, you're thinking about how to improve further yung trabaho mo. Hard work is needed here. That needs to be done, kumbaga, no? Either sa trabaho or a certain situation in life, okay? You're thinking about improvements, no? Parang ina-assess mo yung trabaho mo if this is progressing or not. At ano pa yung pwedeng mong ma-improve o ano pang pwedeng gawin, no? Okay. To have a good result. King of Wands, tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Knight of Cups. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving a help, no? Or what do you call this? Proposition, kumbaga, no? To paano ma-materialize yung mga plano mo, okay? Temperance. Ano tong Temperance? We have the Nine of Cups. Yeah. So, you can only achieve peace of mind, no? Peace of mind kung meron kayong patience, okay? Kung meron kayong control sa inyong emosyon, no? Balance and harmony is what you want. Okay? This is for some of you. merong wish fulfillment dito or merong pagkakaayos, no? Yeah. Pagkakaayos only if you will participate. Only if you will consider, no? Yung para bang hindi mo kokontrahin, something like that, no? So you just have to go with the flow. Okay? Two of Cups, tingnan natin. Ano to? We have the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. So, I think kailangan mo mag-focus sa trabaho mo, kailangan mo i-master yung work mo, no? Kung meron mang collaboration dito or sa isang partnership, your hard work is needed, your dedication and motivation. Okay? For some of you, your hard work is being paid or is paying off, no? Yeah, that's for some of you. And you are benefiting from this, from kung ano man yung trabaho mo ngayon, nakaka-benefit ka dyan. Okay? So, parang tama lang din na yung dedication mo sa work is nandyan, no? Collaboration, understanding, giving values sa co-workers mo, sa colleagues mo, or sa business, or if you have a business partner, something like that. Okay? Knight of Wands, tingnan natin. Yeah, we have the Judgment. Yeah. You're entering a period of expansion here. Okay? Siguro you just have to choose to take action sa mga kailangan mong gawin. Performance is needed, high performance, no? Also, your attention is needed. May mga immediate na mga pangyayari or events, no, na kailangan ng inyong attention and action at the same time. For some of you, adventure awaits, but be wise, no? Yeah, may mga kailangan kayong i-assess in your situation. Yeah. This is a wake-up call also, no, na you need to be not really aggression, but be assertive, no, sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah. Seven of Pentacles. Tingnan natin, ano to? We have the Seven of Cups. Yeah. There are a lot of things in your mind, no? May mga options and choices. But bawat option na yan is kailangan mong tingnan ng mabuti, suriin, okay? Yeah. Lalo na kung gagawa kayo ng action or magde-decide. For some of you, you need to do some research or you need to do research, okay? Also, if you're going to make a decision, no, do not procrastinate, do not waste more time. Okay? It's like choose or decide, no? Parang yun yung sinasabi sa'yo. Parang mag-decide ka na. But at the same time, maging wise ka din sa mga decision mo or sa mga choices mo. Okay? Yeah, pag-aralan bawat moves, bawat action, or bawat plano, no? Yeah. Tingnan natin. More for Libra. We have the King of Swords. Yeah, speak your mind with confidence, no? Kung meron kayong gustong sabihin, speak it up. Okay? Kung meron kayong gustong i-clarify, sabihin mo, no? Inquire. Okay? Ask questions, no? Do not assume that you are understood, no? So, kailangan mong magsalita, kumbaga. Also, for some of you, parang meron kayong mga asikasuhin ng mga documents, most especially travel, kung meron man. Nine of Pentacles, yes, no? Merong sense of contentment or peace of mind sa inyo, most especially when it comes to your material wealth or when it comes to your money. Okay? Merong Seven of Wands. Defensiveness dito. Okay? Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a water sign, a leader, a Scorpio, no? King of Cups. Yeah. Emotional and shy person, but he or she is a leader. Okay. Yeah, this person is may malasakit, no? Yeah. Compassionate. Not only sa sarili niya, ang inintindi niya, kundi yung mga people, no, around him or her. No, he or she understands the situation better, no? Parang hindi lang siya puro logical. Okay? Emotional, balance sa kanyang emotional at saka yung kanyang pagiging logical. Okay? Over a situation. No? So, for some of you, merong defensiveness dyan. No? Yeah. Merong 7 of Swords. Okay? For some of you, kailangan ng planning, no? Most especially if may kinalaman ito sa trabaho. For some of you, merong deception dito. It's either you are deceiving yourself or the other person, no? Yeah. For some of you, merong betrayal dito. Okay. Yeah, someone here is trying to get away from something, no? Trying to get away with something, no? Mga siguro ideas. Tingnan natin. Ano tong mga to? King of Swords. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, travel and work, no? For some of you, communication is the key para magkaroon ng understanding dito or clarity over sa trabaho. Be confident also. Slow and steady, pero slow and steady but kailangang may matapos, no, na trabaho dito. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you need someone na tutulong sa inyo. Okay? Parang meron kayong gustong sabihin about sa work. Pero, kailangan mo i-express, no? Kung meron kayong gustong i-clarify, say it. Express it. Okay? Yeah, also honor your commitments sa trabaho. May kailangan kayong tapusin. Knight of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles. Tingnan natin. Pleasure. Okay? Forgiveness, healing, and forgiveness. Para magkakaroon ka lang ng peace of mind. No? Kung ikaw mismo ay maging soft. No? Not thinking too much. Okay? Look back, no, sa mga glory days of the past, kumbaga. Yeah, that's for some of you. Yung iba sa inyo, bakasyon to. Sa inyong hometown, maybe you are traveling, you are parang magbabakasyon kayo, okay? Meet with your lolo or lolas, your parents, no, that are living away from you. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for also, parang na-emphasize dito yung pagkakaroon ng malasakit. Being compassionate to someone. Okay? Be forgiving. 7 of Wands. Ano to? We have the perfect work. Accomplishment. So, protect what you have created. Protect your stability. Protect your security at work. Okay? Merong defensiveness dito or you are setting boundaries, no? Yeah. You are learning how to say no. Yeah, lalo na kung merong mga abuso, something like that. Okay? King of Cups, tingnan natin. Ano to? King of Cups, clarify. We have the Princess of Wands. Yeah. So, do not underestimate yourself, no? For some of you. Yung iba sa inyo parang merong conflict dito. Okay? But regardless, move forward with your business or sa trabaho. Kung ano man yung mga issues dito or tagisan ng galing, something like that, merong intimidation dito. Whatever it is, parang it's not worth it na parang bigyan mo ng oras or panahon or mag-waste ka ng energy mo dyan. So, you need to move forward. Okay? be confident, no? Libra. Seven of Swords, tingnan natin, ano to? Okay, we have the Knight of Wands. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, you need to be dedicated sa trabaho. Okay? Yeah, strategize sa mga next mo na move sa work, no? Parang sinasabi dito na magpakitang gilas ka. Okay? Yeah, you are at the peak of your career, no? Improvise also, strategize sa mga next mo na move, sa mga gagawin mo in order to get a positive result. Okay, Libra? Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional messages for you. We have investments, no? Invest wisely. Okay, for some of you, kung man yung mga investment mo, magkakaroon niya ng isang positive na result na magbibigay or magdadala sa inyo ng prosperity. Okay? Love life, love and be loved, no? So, free from problems and money troubles. Enjoy your relationship, enjoy the passion of love. Okay, Libra. One more, we have independence. So, don't depend on others, okay? Manage your money wisely. Manage money yourself, no? Yeah, for some of you, you need to be independent, no? Most especially when it comes or pagdating na sa inyong security or seguridad. Okay? So, guard your money, guard your resources, or guard what you have. Okay? Additional message for Libra. It is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, get excited about your future and all it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back to you with a little conscious effort on your part. That happy ending can and will be yours. Believe that. Okay? So, stop worrying, no? Huwag ka maging analysis paralysis over a situation, no? Instead, kailangan mo maging excited, no, about sa future mo, sa mga next na mga gagawin, sa mga next event, okay? So, i-focus mo yung energy mo at emotion doon. Okay? And everything, no, will end na maging maayos, and kung ano man yung gusto mo ma-achieve, that will be yours. Okay? So, maniwala ka dyan. Alright? So, Libra, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!